Are you interested in the secrets of real estate? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will reveal expert tips and insights that will help you navigate the world of real estate. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, location, location, location. Finding the right location is crucial when buying or selling a property. Consider factors such as proximity to amenities, schools, and transportation options. A well-chosen location can significantly impact the value of your investment. Tip number 2, understand the market. Research the local real estate market to gain a competitive advantage. Keep an eye on trends and analyze property values. Being informed about the market will empower you to make more confident decisions. Tip number 3, set a budget. Establishing a realistic budget is essential. Consider not only the purchase price, but also additional costs such as maintenance, taxes, and insurance. Ensuring that your budget is aligned with your financial goals will help you make sound financial decisions. Tip number 4, work with professionals. Real estate transactions can be complex, so it's crucial to work with experienced professionals such as real estate agents, lawyers, and home inspectors. They will guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and successful transaction. Tip number 5, have a plan. Whether you're buying or selling, having a well-thought-out plan is key. Define your goals, timelines, and strategies. This will help you stay focused and organized, ultimately leading to a more successful real estate experience. In conclusion, the secrets of real estate are out. By following these expert tips and insights, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of real estate. Remember to do your research, work with professionals, and have a solid plan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.